Good morning guys board. So padulong kita sa basketball court sa barangay Tinagaan, Alver Leyte. So mao ni ang agianan parang sa basketball court. So samahan niyo ako guys sa aking munting vlog. So exercise first sa court, exercise. Okay, go. Exercise switching guys. So paunat sa kusog usa mo sabak sa mga drills proper way. So ana guys, mga na guys. Then 17 seconds end-to-end touches for conditioning purposes. I say this was guys, so 17 touches. Although di na kaya explain guys, so ano lang, jog lang, jog so 17 touches end to end. Then after that, okay, jump, squat jump. In medyo bigay ang tuhod guys. Squat jump. So 3 sets, then 15 reps. Okay. So there 1, 2, then shooting. We'll be shooting guys. Okay. Bend, push, pak, pusa. Another bend, push. Okay. So napay shooting na to guys. Ginagmay guys. Listen pa o ano practice. Crossover in between. Jump back. Another one. Cross in between. Pang. Then jump. Oops. One pack, post pack, jump, pull ups, wala. Then jump. One, pang, step back, push. Another jump, back, pang. So hinahinay, basta kanunay, pang, poop. Then free ball. So ako nang gikan akong left guys kay medyo man ang na-injury. Man ang nabali na ako nga tungod sa basketball, nabali ang kamot. Man ang may hunong og duwa. Okay.